This is Bud Frable, Sales and Engineering, Midpoint Bearing. Today we will discuss bearing clearance. Clearance is defined as the distance between two objects. In bearings, clearance is the total distance one ring can move while the other ring is fixed. It can be expressed as axial internal clearance, where the ring is moved parallel to the shaft. This type of clearance is determined by the ball diameter and the raceway curvatures and is not shown in our bearing nomenclature. More commonly, it is expressed as radial internal clearance, RIC. This is determined by moving the ring perpendicular to the shaft. RIC is directly related to your bearing bore. The larger the bore, the larger your RIC. RIC is denoted by the bearing nomenclature by the letter C and a corresponding number such as 6304C3, 6219C4, and so on. Our clearance nomenclature starts at C2, which is the smallest gap, and increases to CN or C0, often called C normal, which is omitted in our part numbers. Then C3, which is the standard in industrial distribution. Then C4 and C5, which is the largest gap. All clearance ranges are in fractions of an inch, so very small and difficult to measure unless you're in a lab environment. Final note, bearing clearance is independent of precision. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions or comments at bud@midpointbearing.com, and to learn more about Midpoint Bearing, visit us at midpointbearing.com. Thank you for watching Midpoint Bearing, your distributor partner, knowledge through experience.